Here is the question. A small copper ball of 5 mm diameter at 500 Kelvin is dropped into an oil bath whose temperature is 300 Kelvin. The thermal conductivity of copper is 400 watt per meter Kelvin. Its density 9000 kg per meter cube and its specific heat 385 joule per kg Kelvin. If the heat transfer coefficient is 250 watt per meter square Kelvin and lumped analysis is assumed to be valid, the rate of fall of the temperature of the ball at the beginning of cooling will be dash in Kelvin per second. Option A 8.7, option B 13.9, option C 17.3, option D 27.7. This question was asked in GATE 2005 for 2 marks question, and it is an application type of question, and it is also a multiple choice question. Now, in the question he said a small copper ball, so we can assume this as a sphere of 5 mm diameter. So diameter is 5 mm given. We have to convert this into meters, so 0.005 meters at 500 Kelvin. So the initial temperature Ti is 500 Kelvin. It is dropped into an oil bath whose temperature is 300 Kelvin. So T infinity is the oil temperature. Thermal conductivity is given as 400 watt per meter Kelvin K. Density rho is 9000 kg per meter cube. Specific heat C is 385 joule per kg Kelvin, and heat transfer coefficient H is given. So in the question he said that lumped analysis is assumed to be valid. So we can easily solve this problem based on the lumped system analysis. We need to determine the rate of fall of the temperature. So that means the change in temperature with respect to time dt by d tau we need to determine. So in order to determine, so whatever is the heat lost by this copper ball by convection when it is dropped into oil bath, so heat lost by convection will be equal to the increase in the internal energy. So heat lost by convection is minus H into surface area multiplied by T minus T infinity, the initial temperature minus this one. So this will be equal to mass into specific heat C into dt by d tau. Now mass can be written as density into volume. So the right hand side becomes rho Vc into dt by d tau. Now we can substitute the values. Minus H value is 250 into surface area is pi d square. So surface area for a ball is pi d square or 4 pi r square. So pi into 0.005 whole square. So pi into 0.005 whole square into T is the initial temperature, that is 500 minus 300. So this will be equal to density is given as 9000. Volume of the sphere will be pi by 6 d cube. So pi by 6 into diameter is 0.005 whole cube multiplied by specific heat is given as 385 into dt by d tau. This is what we need to determine, dt by d tau. So upon calculation we will get dt by d tau is equal to minus 17.311 Kelvin per second. So this minus indicates the fall in temperature with respect to time. So or it indicates the cooling. So therefore option C will be correct for this particular question, and this is the end of explanation for this question.